Good day mga ka-Preds! My name is Red from CL Cullen Realty. An apple a day is not better than a tomato. I'm here today to discuss a very important problem in our lives. If not given proper attention, confounding issues may arise. Maybe not. How do you transfer land title after you bought it? Well, you have to understand that you have to pay tax payments within 30 days after the deed of absolute sale is notarized, but before the 5th day of the month. Your first destination is BIR to get honest computation for capital gains tax, BIR form number 1706, documentary stamp BIR form number 2000-OT, and payment form 0605. Now, prepare the following documents. Take note, if you bought a portion only of the property, you need to provide a subdivisional plan from DENR. But if it is lot only, you need a certificate of no improvement from the assessor's office. Your second destination is land bank to pay for your doc stamp, CGT, and payment form depending on your RDO code. Your third destination is BIR to give all the documents including receipts and forms and receive claim stub for the claim schedule. Take note, before you arrive to claim your documents, prepare a letter of request for a certified copy of e-card. Complete this third step before you proceed. Your fourth destination is Treasurer's Office to get a computation of transfer tax. Requirements are the following. After paying, get a certified true copy of transfer tax. Your fifth destination is Registry of Deeds to transfer the title to the new owner's name. Give all the following documents. Your last destination is Assessor's Office to process the tax declaration with the new owner's name. Requirements are the following. Take note, while you're at the Assessor's Office, fill up a sworn statement to be notarized even without the new original title. Just present your claim stub from RD. This will be presented as partial requirements. Your new original title is to follow. Why? To avoid penalties because you are only given 60 days from the notarized date of your deed of absolute sale, while the release of your new original title may take 0 weeks or even months. Easy, right? It's a very tedious process. Some of the steps might differ according to cities and municipalities. Better yet, call us so that we can help you. For our next episode, our topic is how to transfer land title if it is inherited. Don't forget to CLS, click like and subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook. Have a great day. See you next time. For questions and suggestions, please contact us through these channels.